Hi everybody, Wednesday again. It's alright, to be honest. It's alright, things are good. Right, quick video. I know it's Wednesday, Workshop Wednesday, but there's absolute tons going on. Loads and loads and loads. In fact, we're at a change, I would say. We're at a change. I seem to have dropped back on a lot of people who I know. I've been doing a bit of ringing round, chasing people, help me out with jobs. I don't mean in case, I just mean I've got a few machinists back on board I deal with, stuff like that, and various suppliers, bits and pieces. So things are a hell of a lot better. So what I'm saying to you is there's loads going on. There's been loads to be seen. I've even got some engine rebuilds on coming up for you. I've got plenty of Mach 4 Zephyr stuff coming through. Obviously, you've got fabrication on this one here. Things are progressing on TR4 because that's what I'm just referring to the machinist, because that's regarding whatever issue is engine-wise. I'm taking it's a liner issue, but we haven't got. But let's get some costs to find out about that, and then same with Jensen. Paint's imminent, and then so we'll have paint on that. I've been working on its bumpers. Client's been in actually because he gives me a hand with that one. He comes in and has a day with me, and he's got his seats all stripped out and that, and so that's going in the right direction. So that's top and bottom of it for Wednesday, really. What I'm going to do and all on this video, I'm going to tag on a video at past, because I've been round block a bit and I've done quite a few interesting jobs, and I've just refurbed something on my stairs at home. So I'm going to let you have a look at it, because if you can use these, and you haven't got any bits of paper with fancy names on and stuff like that, that's saying you've been, whatever you've done and whatever you haven't done, you've been in a classroom, you know, because this is what counts, these. So this does likes of this, it does likes of all work. Now, everything you can see surrounding you, this is what does it. And I think really, another point I want to get over and all, if there's anybody out there and fancies a go at what I do like this, you probably it might be a good time to jump in, because I think we're definitely having a change of opinion throughout the world, and I think people are actually realising where priorities lie, and it's not all about bits of paper and sending emails and stuff like that. It's about doing. So have a look at video I'm going to tag on. So that's it really. But you've got so much excitement going to come through this channel now. It's unbelievable. I don't think I've been in this position for a hell of a long time, but there's so much bounce off work, and it's not overwhelming. It's not like piling on top of me. I've got it back sort of like under a realistic control. So keep watching and watch this thing I'm going to tag up back at it, because it's blast from the past, but it shows, like I've just said, what these can do. So well, that's it. So that's the bed and all. So just watch video after. Catch you later. Something different for you here. I know I do restorations, but this is my stairs at home. I've just decorated it, to be quite honest, and it's a really unusual dark, like charcoal colour, and it's a proper traditional paint. It's a satin, but it's like unbelievable. It reflects off different at all angles, and it looks like it paints like blotchy, but it's how it picks light up. It's so traditional, it's untrue. I did this stairs. Them doors have only just been done, actually. They're still pulling in. I think I did this. I think it was about 98 or something like that. Been done about, getting up 30 years. There's a bit of pink behind that rad, because she's got some pictures and they've got like a pink lining, so I did it to match. But and then she's had this zebra paper. Oh, thought some of you are into craftsmanship, might appreciate it. Handrail it's sent, that's ash, because if it's in oak it's split, but everything else was made out of oak, and it was to be crazy and mess about with wood and stuff like that, as well as steel. Well, what these were put through mould, and then I had them turned. So a bit unusual, and a bit unusual design of cutters I had made for handrail. But all panelling, just MDF, same with this cupboard, same with linings. They're white, all windows are lined. Still some of my stuff there from But I thought you might appreciate it. I mean, I don't think she's having a runner this time. I think she's just having a carp. She's on about having red, but it'll look alright. But it's a lovely, lovely colour. This dark, I mean, it's probably a bit medieval, but it actually works like a medieval paint. It's really unusual. Struggling to get its focus. And as you come up here, paper again. I think big zebra thing she's got on at the minute. I don't know what that's all about, but I just built stairs. Did all panelling. Expecting to get focus, I could do a bit more light, but to be honest, these were just frames with a lat on, but I beefed them all up, fetched them out so they were proper, look like solid frames, and cladded them up. Everything's original and recycled. This top balustrade in these, they came out in an old pub. They used to drink it actually. Well, I thought some of you might like it, let some of you have a look at it, so not something I do now, but something I did used to mess about with, a bit of wood. Family is actually a building family, but I never bothered, I was more into cars, so I did bits and pieces in it when there were no happening car job. Something a bit different for you, something for you to have a look at. The handrail it's said is actually some cutters I ground up that are like what second class stairs were on Titanic, because I used to have a big thing about Titanic. I used to, well, there ain't many books I haven't read and there ain't much I can't answer about it. Something a little bit different. Not something you'll see me do. I mean, I've done a lot of carpentry in this house. We've been in years and years and years, but everything's been totally recycled. I've never bought out of anybody. I've always made it myself. So, still see them doors pulling in with light going up behind there. And a bit of a patch I've done on the wall, but it's drying up. We see had a picture or something. Something just a little bit different for people who are into old craftsman skills. Understairs, all panels. And so, if you like video, subscribe to the channel. I know I restore cars, but I'm capable of restoring wood and old-fashioned things. Well, I built this, like I said earlier, but it's not a restoration, it's a makeover, but it looks like it's from 100 years ago, but it ain't. It's a reproduction by me. So, take care everybody anyway, and if you've got any comments regarding something as zany as this, just drop us a comment and I'll come back to you. It's good to hear from you all. Take care everybody, bye for now.